Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the new year, 2013. Yeah. I was recently dropped off by a few friends from work, and they commented on the area. Now, I didn't really think of this in a very possible way, but nature sure does know how to change itself if you add fog, and during the wintertime. Now, most of you might have remembered, but right now, tell me, does this look creepy to you? Makes you think Slenderman's gonna come to get you, but no, no, no. Some of this is woods, but actually far up ahead is another road. So really not that much woods in it. If you thought this scared you, well, I don't know. A little pausing because I'm just looking. Looks really alright. Well, just want to show you this, and I'll see you guys later. Hopefully online. If you can find me, it's Sir Gamer 24/7 on the PSN.